The increase in toll rates cannot be delayed, so says the CEO of the Toll Authority of Jamaica, Lerone Leng. Mr. Leng notes that the two operators of Highway 2000 have already delayed the increase, which was granted to them in 2020 by 6 months and 1 year. He says several factors, including the exchange rate and consumer price index, were considered before the toll increase application was submitted. Mr. Leng explains that during the delayed period, the operators were not compensated for the losses incurred. Both operators cited maintenance and operational costs have increased, and they cannot absorb the cost at this particular time. But the National Consumers League wants the toll adjustment put on hold for 2 years, while the parliamentary opposition has called for a delay for several months as the country is still recovering from the COVID-19 pandemic and the cost of living has been increasing. A notice published Friday by the Ministry of Transport said an application had been received for toll increases for the east-west leg of Highway 2000 come July 2. The adjustments range from 9% to 26%. Here are the proposed increases. Here are the proposed toll discounts. No discounts were proposed for Class 3 vehicles. The proposed increases will be implemented come Saturday, July 2.